All right, everybody, we are in Oklahoma City. This is a property located at Northwest 91st Street. Current unpaid balance is $174. Legal balance is $190. BPO is at $150 as it sits. Bank is looking for $135. Obviously, it's got some overgrown. It's been probably vacant for 7 years. Next due date is June 24th of 2019. Here's the thing, it's vacant and it's cleaned out. So somebody's come in here and cleaned it all. Left it pretty clean condition. It's just outdated. Older door. You can see kind of the hallway here. This comes in the kitchen. That's the fridge. Pantry and the garage is actually empty, except for a couple trash cans and 2 chairs. Older kitchen. Need a complete gut job on that. You can see that it's a step down sunken living room. You gotta be careful there. Those car keys don't go in anything. I thought there might be a car in the garage, but there's not. Fireplace. It's a wood burning fireplace. There's a bunch of ash in there. It is sunken. We've got the vents too there, so that goes over there. Now this is a addition they've added on. The sunroom added on the back of the house. Come out here and see how the backyard's pretty overgrown. Big rose bushes. Little small shed there, and then that beside the house. Roof is in good condition. Ceilings are all in good conditions, just for the popcorn ceiling. You come back in here, and then all the bedrooms are on the right side of the house if you're facing the house. So small shower, bathroom there. You get the storage here. Hallway to the left is the one of the smaller bedrooms. There you go. You can see older ceiling fans. Shop back in the corner for if you want that. I do like the hardwood floors though on the front half of the house. Those are all original. They're laminate. Okay, still pretty good flooring though. Might be one little leak there. This is a master suite. It has these 2 sun lights. That's the only issue I see, is you see a little bit of water damage around this one here. Half bath with well, that's actually a full bathroom with a shower, toilet, and sink. So this is the master suite. This comes to the last bedroom up here. Peeking out. And that takes us to all of it. So once again, this is 91st Street in OKC. Just need to TLC and really a lot of updates, but in pretty decent condition.